Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. Today in this video, we will see few methods in string. So let's get started. First method is left justify. We are taking a txt variable and we are assigning a string hello to that variable. And after that, we are printing text txt dot ljust means left justify 10 comma star means we want total characters 10 in that string. So output is hello with 5 stars at the last. Means total 10 characters we need to print. Hello, Helllo. Already we have 5 characters in that string. Now we need more 5 characters at the last. So here 10 comma star means total characters in that string should be 10 and rest should be 5 like this. In the place of 10, suppose if you take 20, then we will get like this. Hello, this is total 5 characters, and after that we will get 15 stars. So we should contain 20 characters in that string. This is the concept of left justify. Now we have right justify. Txt is the variable and we are assigning hello as a string. Now we are printing print txt dot rjust 10 comma star. Now we should have 10 characters in that string and first 5 characters should be stars and later hello is the 5 character. So total 10 characters should be present in that string. In this way we should use right justify. Now we have center method. Suppose we take a text variable and we are assigning hello as a string. Now printing print txt dot center 10 comma star means in the center, this is the output. In the center we should get the string and at the first and at the last we should get the characters we are printing. So 2 stars, this is the hello which we have taken that character string and this is the 3 stars again we are printing. This is the concept of method center. And later we will see this concept. Here txt equal to my name is star, my name is x and my name is y and my percentage of marks is z colon dot 2f. So print txt dot format x equal to Vijay, y equal to 29, z equal to 93.562356. Now in the variable, this is the variable txt. In that variable we are taking just variables x, y and z, and in the printing format by using format method we are assigning values to that variables x, y and z. So we are using this format method concept here. By using this format method concept, we can assign values to that variables in the variable txt. So we are getting the output like my name is Vijay, my age is 29 and my percentage of marks is 93.56. Here z equal to 93.562356 we have taken, but here z colon dot 2f means we want only 2 decimals after the point. So we are getting only 569356. In this way we should use format method. And also we can use index txt equal to my name is this is the 0 index and my age is 1 and my age of my percentage of marks is 2. Then by using format we can assign values to that index. Txt dot format Vijay comma 29 comma 63.56. In this way also we can assign the values. So we will get the output as my name is Vijay, my age is 29, my percentage of marks is 63.56. In this format we are getting the output. Now we will see this concept. Now we are taking S equal to a string with the spaces at the starting and with the spaces at the ending. These are the spaces. In the middle we are taking the hello string. Now print length of S dot L strip, means it will remove the spaces, and print S dot L strip dot replace that spaces with the star. L strip means left, it will remove the left spaces. Left spaces will be removed. L strip means it will remove the left spaces, and replace method will replace the space with stars. So we are getting hello stars. L strip will remove the spaces, so it is removing the spaces at the beginning, and replace method it will replace the spaces with stars. So we are replacing spaces with the stars. That's why we are getting output like this. This is the left strip method. Now we have right strip method. Here again we taken S equal to spaces hello spaces. This is the string we have taken. Now print S dot R strip dot replace. We are replacing spaces with star, and these are the right spaces removed. So right strip means it will replace the stars. It will remove the spaces at the right. Now replace method will replace the spaces with stars. Now in the left side, it will replace the spaces with stars. So we are using replace method. R strip will remove the spaces at the right. So we are getting output in this way. Now swap case converts lower to uppercase and vice versa. Here we have taken this string and we have assigned to the variable s print s dot swap case. Here we have a swap case method. In that we are swapping upper to lower, lower to upper. See, this is the output we are getting. We are swapping H capital to small, E small to capital. Like this we are swapping. And X comma Y, Ram comma Lakshman. We are assigning a value X, value Ram to X and value Lakshman to Y. So X comma Y equal to Y comma X. We are swapping the values between the variables. And after that, swapping Rama and Lakshman. We are taking str equal to Rama and Lakshman. How to replace Lakshman and Ram? I want output in this format. So we have to use print str dot replace Ram with star. After that replace Lakshman with Ram, and after that replace star with Lakshman. So we will get output like this. These are the basics concepts, basic programs in Python. We will see more further complex videos in further videos. So please subscribe to my channel. And this is the task we need to perform. We should add stars in the middle of string. We will do later. And now this is the program to swap Rama and Lakshman. Already in the previous task we have seen how to replace Rama and Lakshman. Now this is the elaborate program. Now we have taken str equal to Rama and Lakshman. Now this is the variable str and we are assigning a string Rama and Lakshman, and after that L equal to str of split. We are splitting this Rama and Lakshman into list of strings, and after that we are printing L. So we are getting L as Ram and Lakshman like this list of strings, and after that we are taking the indexes of Ram and indexes of Lakshman. to A comma B. And after that we are swapping the indexes. L of B, L of A equal to L of A comma L of B. We are swapping the indexes values. So after that we have to print L. Then we are getting Lakshmana and Ram like this. After that I am using join method to join these strings, join this list of strings, so that I am getting Lakshmana and Ram in this way. I hope everyone clear with this code. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And after that, this is the program adding stars in the middle of string. So s equal to hello. This is the string hello. We are assigning this string to variable s. Now we are taking another variable s1. Now s of, this is a slicing concept, dot 1 plus we are assigning stars in the middle plus s of 1. Now I am printing print of s1. So we are getting the output h 4 stars hello. This is the output. Here we are doing manually. Now I want dynamically to insert stars in the middle of the string. Now we will see that program. Now s equal to input enter a string. User should be enter a string. Now n equal to int of input enter how many stars to be inserted. Later I equal to int of input enter index for s stars. Now s1 equal to s of colon 1 plus star multiplication n plus s of index 1 colon. Now we are printing print s1. Now we will see the output. First line of code is used to enter a string by the user. So I am entering hello as a string, and later enter how many stars to be inserted. So I want 3 stars to be inserted, and after that enter index per stars. So I am entering 3, and later it is checking, it is doing this, it is performing this line of code, and later it is printing the s1 variable. So we are getting h 3 stars hello. Here I have given hello as a string, and I want total 3 stars at the index 3. So I am getting this one. Till index 3 I want stars. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Till 3 I am getting stars in the middle of string. In the previous program we have seen how to insert stars in the middle of string manually. This one. Now we have seen this is dynamically, because the user will give a string dynamically, and after that he will assign how many stars to be inserted, and till what index the star should be there. In this way we can give stars in the middle of string. Today in this video we have seen the concepts of left justify, right justify, center method, and format method. Strip method, in that left strip, right strip, and swap case, and how to swap Rama and Lakshman to Lakshman and Ram. And also we have seen how to insert stars in the middle of string. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep smiling, keep coding. In the next video, we will see the concept of collection types. In that we have list, tuple, set and dictionary. So please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update.